Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen potato pancakes in the air fryer. I got these potato pancakes in Trader Joe's, and I think air fryer is going to be perfect for making them super crispy. So what we need is frozen potato pancakes and a non-stick cooking spray. So now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I will spray it with a non-stick cooking spray so the potato pancakes don't stick to the bottom of the basket. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with olive oil or vegetable oil. Now I'm going to open a package of the potato pancakes. And I'll be cooking them straight from frozen. So take out as many potato pancakes as fit in a single layer and put them in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 9 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the potato pancakes over to the other side so they cook evenly. They're looking good. And let's put them back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the potato pancakes. Look at them, they look amazing, so perfectly brown and crispy. Now if you'd like yours crispier, you can always put them back in the air fryer for another 1 to 2 minutes, but mine are perfectly cooked. So let's take them out of the air fryer onto a plate. So crunchy. They look so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Crunchy outside, tender inside. Now let's try it. So crispy and delicious. I love these pancakes. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen potato pancakes. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!